Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
Where are you guys from?
South Carolina. Well,
listen guys, it is so imperative that you get out here if you are still alive and live. Let's get it, Bigg Vic TV. No.
hi again, Mr. Pup.
This is check.
Big boy lion that we just passed by, she's actually stronger than him. Her toes have 3 times the bite force, and that helps her be the top of the food chain in the Amazon rainforest and parts of Mexico today. Now, like I just said, she's mostly found in South America and Mexico today. A couple hundred years ago, though, she could really commonly see right here in San Diego County. Really recently, though, in the past couple decades, a couple of
Way up here too. Whoa.
So crazy.
Whoa.
And listen, it's not as cool as I thought.
Not as what?
Cold.
No, it actually is not. It feels better up here.
Right.
It's smooth. Hey buddy, I just made it to Bigg Vic TV. What's good? I see you. You want your photo taken? I'll take a photo. I done put the food out there for you. Go ahead and get it. You got friends coming, they gonna get it. You better jump down there and get it.
We got
Look at them, more of them coming. I done put the food out there for you. I put a few chips out there. Go ahead and get them. Oh, your man's about to get them now. You late. The man said, okay then. Don't even worry about it. I got it. Look at him. He mad. You mad or not? Nah, you taking your time. Your man's want to get them now. Man, go ahead and put your head through there and get that, man. The chips is right there waiting for you. You don't want them? Here, take them. Your man's playing. Go ahead and get that. Who hungrier? It's about taking risks. It's about taking risks. Go ahead. Which one of y'all gonna get it? Your man's scared. You right there at it. Like you right there at the finish line. Perfect example right here. Classic. You gonna jump down or what? Jump off the porch. There you go. There you go. You gotta start over. Now he gotta go back and turn back around now. He coming back around. Your man just don't want it. It's about who really want it. Who wanted more? Go ahead, man. Take a risk, bro. Take a risk, man. It's about taking risks. I'm not gonna bother you. Go ahead. You good. There you go. You good. There you go. Your peoples don't want it. Get your eat on, man. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. You leaving crumbs. That's what I'm talking about.
Breakfast is over at 9:30.
Okay.
Let's go.
Peace out, fam. I'm in sunny San Diego. It's not quite sunny right now, but if you look back over here, looks like it might try to do something, but I'm not exactly sure if it's gonna do what it's supposed to do.
The wind work.
It's a little breezy, a little slight breeze. I had to check out this field tour. Had to get an umbrella, just in case the weather decided to take a turn. The weather is bipolar in December out here in San Diego, so gonna see what it do. Make it do what it do.
So, be prepared, everybody. Arms up. Arms up. Yeah, let's get ready to have some watery fun out here as we enter into San Diego Harbor. Make some noise, people. Here we go. Whoopee! This now places us under Coast Guard rules. And that means if you want to now, you can stand up, you can walk about. But for all the young mariners, sorry guys, you can't do any swimming out here this morning. Now you're going to earn your sea legs out here because our vessel's going to rock. Captain's doing right now, so everybody also be ready to do the wave as we pass through this part of the harbor.
What is good, family? I'm about to connect with my Cali connection. I think y'all might know who my Cali connection is, but we're gonna see. Let me see if y'all know who I'm about to link up with out here in Cali. So you already know what it is, San Diego. About to get it in real quick. Creative politics and all that good stuff. Let's go. Wait, what we getting in? What we jumping in? We in the GL? Oh, so this how we doing it? This how we doing it? This how we doing it? Okay. Alright. Look at this rain though. What we doing? That's what we doing. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm good. Yes. I'm excellent.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, y'all
Get
see
to
who?
meet the missus too. Okay, it's a win-win.
Y'all see who we pulled up on right now? Y'all see what it is? Alright. I told y'all I had a Cali Connect.
Yeah.
Y'all see what's going on?
Oh man, what you thinking, baby?
Alright, we're here. Hold on, I got you. Relax. I got you. No, you want to get on this side. Get on this side. Gucci. You good now? Just so y'all know, we out here eating good. You know what I mean? Oh, we out here eating good. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is.
You got Instagram too?
Yeah. I like that.
Where did we go to?
Grand Canyon
You see
almost?
these?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot right there. I
These
like
is
that
cool
though.
because they got their own space and stuff. The house is not
See, I
on
like
top
that.
of each other.
I could do that.
I don't like being
You can
real
do that up there?
close.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Now I can do
You
one
just
of
ain't
them.
no backyard, but
Oh my God.
You got a backyard. You gonna go all the way. You gonna fall all the way down there though.
Look, they got a porch in that city. Is that the whole thing?
I don't like that. Oh my God, no.
We out here in the mountains, man. Where we at?
He said, "Where we at?"
It's like the.
I know. What?
This is
what
the
casino
reservation?
y'all got us going to?
What's the name of it?
No. So I'm like, I guess. I guess we could.
I'm already true because I'm like, man, what they doing over here? It's the ghetto. I'm like, what they doing over here, man? I'm walking in. I'm like, yeah, she eyeballing me. Hold on.
Oh, be quiet.
They're like, yeah, she trying to holler. I'm like,
No.
yeah. I'm like, what's her name? We look up on Messenger real quick.
Oh, that was funny because I was just playing too. That's the funny part.
Oh yeah, she is. Jody still getting that money? Maybe she's just straight.
You talking about we ain't no service vehicle? Stop playing.
That other car wasn't here. Let me see.
Cause some parking is
Black car hotel guest only.
Yeah, we can't.
Casino Sequan, make it
Oh, I
yours.
said valet was for the guests only.
Yeah, guest or black card.
Mm-hmm.
Black card and guest.
This joint big out here.
Never been to a casino resort.
Yo, y'all gonna start calling me the king of just pulling up on people.
Yeah. Fried fillet.
We back.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, absolutely. Plain fries. What's the garlic fries? Garlic parm. They're really good.
You don't want to say?
Can be a little overbearing. Plain fries with that. Yeah, absolutely. And it says top with tangy salt. Yes, like a coleslaw will be.
So y'all know who this is already right now. Y'all see who it is, man.
Listen,
Trucking out the box. What's good? Y'all see what's going on.
He done came down here. Y'all know how we do. We done made sure we ate good. Had a real good time.
Yes.
Chopped it up. Politic real nice.
For sure. Politic. We couldn't let y'all hit the real.
Yeah,
We couldn't let y'all in on the
Hey,
real
this the
gem.
first link of a mini too. First link of a
Yeah.
mini, man.
Y'all already see what it is. We out here in Cali, man.
And I'm blessed, so make sure, hey, if you don't wear the shirt, I need y'all comment. Where that shirt at? I already gave you a shirt.
Y'all see what's going on. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all
I need
gonna
him
see
to
it.
hold that up like you be holding the rollie up.
Y'all see what it is.
Right.
We get ready to get it popping right now. Yeah. We had a good time though.
Great time, man. Great time.
Enjoyed myself. They got to meet the missus. You know, she don't even be on camera like that.
Right.
But she pop in every now and again. Oh, she gonna turn the light off.
Hold on, messing with Vic.
She
too,
gonna
hold
turn
on.
the light off.
Look, you know money around. Look, messing with Vic, I done won a couple dollars.
Yeah, you know, slid out to the little casino. Did a little something real quick.
Yeah.
But y'all already know what it is. Y'all make sure y'all go hit Trucking Out the Box. Make sure y'all go hit them up. Absolutely. Let's go.